Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Gigi here. Today I have a review of the Leafu Modelones Ideal Gel Polish Starter Kit. Okay, so stick around to the end because I have a surprise for everyone. Today though, on my nails, I have this beautiful color by Wildflower Lacquer. It's called Special Lady in Your Life, just in case you guys were wondering. Okay, so let's open this up. I have opened it. I did a video and I don't even know what happened to it. So we're going to start over. Comes packaged very, very well. So this, again, this is Leafu Modelones. They have some really nice gels. Unfortunately, I cannot wear gel. It causes, specifically this finger right here, it causes my nail to lift from the nail bed. So I can't wear gels, but let's get on with this anyway, because this was purchased special. All right, so what they have in here is you apply your gel here and cure it, and then put this on top of your little bottle. Okay. So, as always, we have information here, gel application, instructions, or as I call them, destructions. Sometimes, excuse me, sometimes when I'm following instructions, it's just a mess. Okay, some more paperwork. All right, so this comes with 6 mini bottles. And these are all spring colors. I'll open them for you. As the base coat, the top coat, we'll get to this in a minute. Let's go through these real quick. And I've had coffee today, so there's no telling if I'm going to be shaken or not. Beautiful red. Very pretty. I have used their polishes before, their gels. When I do my reviews for Modelones or any gel, you'll see me do them on fake nails. Just don't want to take a chance. Beautiful yellow, and this actually is brighter than it looks on the camera. We have a peach color. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh, beautiful. Let's see what else we have in here. They're a surprise to me. Ah, beautiful green teal color. You see that? Hopefully I'm close enough. And what else? We have light blue, gorgeous light blue. So these are perfect for a, you know, as a starter kit. You know, maybe you don't like them, maybe you want to give them away, who knows? And a beautiful, beautiful lilac color. Gorgeous. All right, let's see what else comes with this. We have 2 files. They're the sponge files, so they're disinfectable and washable. This is a 100-180 grit, and this is a 600-3000 grit. Great for buffing. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, now we have the lamp. Let's open this. Comes with a USB cable. You'll have to use your own port, I guess is what you'd call it. Open this guy. Get this out of the way here for a second. Oh, let's just get rid of that. Sorry about that. All right, now let me open this. I don't want to mess up my nails, and I don't want to mess up the plastic. Okay. Ooh, that went flying, didn't it? All right. Very pretty pink. 6 lights on the bottom. Has the USB port here, and here is your button. If you press that once, it's 45 seconds, and if you press it down and hold it for 2 seconds, you get a 60-second cure. Very cute. All right. I'll put that back in a minute. I'm just going to set it to the side. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, comes with clippers, your toenail separators, comes with a couple of tools, cuticle pusher. This looks pretty sharp here. I don't know that you can actually see it, but you need to be careful if you use that. This one is also a cuticle pusher, and You'll need to be careful with these also. That gets really sharp. That's for going in and just trimming up any excess skin that you have. Be super, super careful with that. Comes with the UV gel cleansers. They're individually packaged. A nice brush for wiping your nails once you get those cuticles cleaned. I think I said the clipper, and it comes with a beautiful, soft brush. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so guess what? Don't know if I already told you. I'm giving this away. I think I did tell you, but someone will get this. I am going to. Today is the 13th. I don't know if I'll have this up on the 13th, but today is the 13th. I will be doing a drawing for this on Memorial Day on the 27th. All you need to do is comment down below. Make sure that you are following or subscribed to my channel here. Let's see. Yeah, so that I can see. I will have this posted also on Instagram. Since we are all nail friends here, if you'd like, you can go ahead and share that with people so that they will get a chance also to win this. Unfortunately, this will only be, I'm only going to ship to a U.S. address, so because it's expensive to ship. So if you have, sorry, I'm pushing everything down, putting everything back. If you are international and you have a U.S. address that I can ship this to, please feel free to join. But if you don't have one, so do I say it's open internationally or not? I say it's not open internationally unless you have a U.S. address. If you have a U.S. address that I can send this to, I'm more than happy to include you in this drawing. All right, so let's go over that real quick. 2 weeks. This will run. I will do the drawing on the 27th. I don't know if I will do it live on Instagram or if I will take a chance and try the live on YouTube here. I don't know. I'll have to see. But I will be doing it live one way or another. Okay? So let's put this little guy back together. Hopefully you are excited about this giveaway, as I am. Again, if I could use gels, I would definitely keep this, even if for nothing, just for that lamp. It's really cute. All right, so let's go over this one more time. Ends May 27th. Okay, comment down below. If you have an Instagram name, go ahead and put that down there so I can, hop over to Instagram and see. If you don't, that's fine. Make sure that you, I think I said comment enter me. Make sure that you're following me. And I'm sorry, make sure that you're subscribed to me here on YouTube. This is actually a YouTube giveaway. Not sponsored by them, but the giveaway is going to be for YouTube. All right. I think that's all I have. So look for the giveaway post on Instagram. And thank you so much for subscribing. If you have already subscribed, I really appreciate that. As always, be kind and be creative, and good luck.